Here's some restoration ecology trivia. Subscribe. Which scientific field studies the recovery of ecosystems? Is it A, restoration ecology, B, wildlife management, C, urban planning, or D, ecological genetics? The correct answer is A, restoration ecology. What type of forest restoration focuses on native species? Is it A, clear-cutting, B, agroforestry, C, afforestation, or D, reforestation? The correct answer is D, reforestation. Which country initiated the Bonn Challenge for reforestation? Is it A, Germany, B, Australia, C, Japan, or D, Canada? The correct answer is A, Germany. What term refers to using natural processes for recovery? Is it A, natural regeneration, B, ecosystem disruption, C, controlled burn, or D, artificial restoration? The correct answer is A, natural regeneration. What type of conservation focuses on the preservation of genetic diversity? Is it A, biodiversity monitoring, B, habitat restoration, C, conservation genetics, or D, wildlife management? The correct answer is C, conservation genetics. What ecological concept aims to maintain essential services? Is it A, environmental impact, B, climate adaptation, C, ecosystem services, or D, conservation ethics? The correct answer is C, ecosystem services. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.